Yeah, good morning everyone. Good afternoon, sorry. My time says after 2. I'm right here. I'll be here in Europe. But I can't really talk today. I'm just simple thing. Like this they see everybody they put say no to slavery, to modern day slavery and all that in Libya, fighting and killing ourselves and if I may say, all these problems now our government now really they bring all these problems to us. You understand? Because I not fit imagine say only one person will come out, come talk to me. He want use his own pocket money when he work for. They go remove in people from slavery, from torture, from killing. He use his hand to go remove them. Carry flight on his own. I see am for news. I believe all this news where they even know. So many people, 80% of people from Nigeria never even hear this news, not even know this news, not even know. I believe if not be tell me I tell you, people not even know what they happen for Libya. Then I want to talk one thing. Our governor Obaseki, he not say make him go Libya, go remove people from Libya, go remove people where they die for Libya, go remove people who dey slavery for Libya. They come Italy. You come Italy, come. One question why I really come ask today now. Okay, Governor Obaseki, because why I really want to deliberate on those states and I be Benin boy. You understand? I be Benin boy, and I dey feel the pain of my people. If you want to rate this Libya issue, rate them. Benin boys and girls, Benin indigenous, Benin Ishan, Haushi and all that. Now the many parts for this Libya problem we dey today. Now the many parts because they'll say Benin people too like abroad. Yeah, we like abroad, yes. Because we not get other means to even take in, because you don't want to live life like your father or your mother, the way they live life. Your father or your mother today, your mom they say akara, or your dad they ride back before they come stop and now they drive bus. You don't want to be like that. Any free opportunity of money where you get, you say papa I want enter. Your papa not go say no, because he knows you know easy. Imagine big man dey Benin, no. Big man not go fit tell picking off go tell papa say papa I want go live. Papa go say no. What you want go for him? Everything day. You understand? Everything day. Okay, imagine Governor Obaseki they come Italy, come do waiting. Now waiting me really they ask. Did they come Italy, come talk waiting? I wake up yesterday morning and they see everybody they send different. What did they happen when everybody send messages? I open up this one, the same thing everybody just send. You see that person send Libya pictures come. The rest send how Obaseki take come Italy, can't do anything. You know, Obaseki now one thing, only one word I want to use. Obaseki na disgrace. Obaseki na disgrace. You come by the watch it be like one dead somebody will stand, one dead human being will stand. You come Italy, come share money, give us a big what you can't do for the Italy. Now coming to Italy now really be the problem with people. They tell you say people where they Italy really need you. They tell you say they really need you. They care about you. They don't care about you. They don't give a fuck about you. Come Italy constant they talk say may they stop slavery, may they stop to the human trafficking, may they stop. How human trafficking want to stop? How you want to stop? Tell me. Just tell me how you want to stop. When it be say, man, people wait. Obaseki, may I ask you one thing? This Italy where you come to, swear. If they really say make you swear now, you go want swear say okay. Afa, this Italy where I come so, Obaseki, if 1 million no enter your own personal account for this matter, where you take from Lagos or anywhere you for take a flight come this Italy. If 1 million no enter your private account for this journey, but all of them are drained, so na part of the journey. Now rent to tell or do one thing, a part of the journey. Obaseki swear if 1 million or anything 1 million or any money no enter your account. What are we saying? Who is fooling who? Obaseki, you are a disgrace. For you to even come Italy, I see your face and know you. Now God will punish you. Now God will at the parole. I see everybody. Everybody they write, they talk. Say me stop model this slave. The other mumu we say in a speaker at those state house of assembly. They come out, they say in get farm, in get in your vest. My guy, fuck your farm. Fuck your farm. What you tell the since they born you, Since they born you, you never use knife to cut one leaf for your farm. Or okay, even if at all, when you did small, you follow your grandpapa go farm. Since you, let me say, for the past, since you take carry this your farm, man, since you take carry this your farm, you take they do this your farm, where you say truly you get farm. You don't carry one knife to cut one leaf for that your farm. You even know where the farm they know. So you get servants, you get people who they use as slave till they do the farm. So yeah, you talk one word. Speak. I'm talking to you. You will say you be speaker. You talk one word. Say for Italy that they use our gas. Our gas go road, go to stand for road, go to do this one. I laugh. Then you want to talk another word. You say our boys. Then they carry our boys. They go farm, go to the war. They use them as slaves. That's why you say that they use people as slaves for Italy. That's why you say that they use people as slaves for Italy. At those state house of speakers of assembly, they tell you if you get opportunity to go farm, to go Igbo farm, my guy, you're happy. Today Italy, even if work never even day. Now now opportunity day, you can get your thing at any time. Luck for your run for you, you just get your bread. Well, I never see one person in Nigeria go you can recall you go say, Alpha, come they stay this my full apartment. You know the boy abroad they see him. Go say, come they stay this my full apartment. Come. Everything there, well furnished, everything. For Nigeria, waiting. Common lights, common lights, common with where they tell you even the brow self, you know even they see Ghana. You know they talk, you know they come Italy, they do it. My guy, Obaseki, my guy, I'm gonna punish you. It not go better for you, my guy. It not go better for you. It not go better for you, Obaseki. If you not na cough, your corpse they'll carry come up for that governor seat. Now your corpse, now they'll carry for that governor seat. You get me? What you can't do? Fuck, why not loud? What the fuck you can't do for Italy? Now, what I really they ask you? You don't think, okay, after Samuel Eto'o don't go carry people from Libya, now then you can't say, yesterday was 28. Now then you can't say, they go carry people. Now then Nigeria no say they want to go carry people for Libya. If at all, see, the people not even be una people safe. Una not even help. Talk less of say now una children. Their papa, their mama, they go fall down. They don't know what they want to do. No money. Person will never see money to chop. Never see money to go Libya, go carry a person. He picking. Yeah. Obaseki, for you to do what in the right, you the campaign. The speaker want to say they don't build companies. They don't build this one to work for where they. For where they? How many people are they employing a month? How many people now they? How many CVs now they attend to in a month? Tell me. How many? If you go Italo farm, if you follow Italo go farm as a guy, if you really work, you go work where? If you work, they pay you. How much be euro for naira now? 1 euro now 400 naira. Calculate 1 euro. Then they pay you 7 euros in 1 hour. 1 hour for 7 euros. Calculate 400 into 7. Then that 7, so on a normal daily basis, normal Italo law, now 8 hours now you supposed to work. But because we need the money. I don't exclude myself. I did go do the farm. It's not even the hard. The other last year, no, early this year, I work for fruits company. Yeah. You carry on from here, you put for you. Carry on from this table, put for this table. Carry on for this table. Now be your work. You are going to be paid €7 per hour. €7 plus. Inside, so you go even they happy. Calculate €7. Calculate 400 into 7 times 8. Times 8 hours. Calculate them. They talk say man. This Obaseki one contest, he come, he say, man, first thing you want to do, Gele support. Everybody they happy, say, man, this man fit do Gele. Even if Obaseki, your PA not even get what they do for you. Even if not only that Gele support you fit do for Benin, you not get problem. If you like, use the remaining, if you use 1 year to do the Gele support, use the remaining 3 years to chop money. We go happy. We go happy. Yeah. We go just be happy. Benin go be like Lagos. I know say many people they on that Gele support will be say man, they know what may work. Because if Gele support mistakenly work, now be say Benin do cast. Benin do tear. Benin go even better past Lagos. Yeah. Many of us will do this Italy, many of us will do this Europe, many of us will do America, go want come back to home. Because why? Work don't do. Where your guy go tell you, say, man, I don't work day. Yeah, you want come back home. You want carry everybody. You just say make that they okay, what do you call Italy can do? Make that deport everybody come house, or make that why? Yeah, if they deport everybody come house, it good. It good, but what thing you yourself go see, you go see better. Because I believe by then, people go to enter inside your office, they remove you. I believe that people do this Italy where they don't feel craze. They don't feel craze. If they come back home, now they say the craze don't worst. I know what they talk. I know exactly what they talk. People don't tire for life of Nigeria. They'll say, oh, man, may I go Europe. It go reach this Europe. It bring your head down. Europe, back then, person go come from abroad. Don't say they form. No. You know the form. Now a way of living for abroad. Okay, imagine. Since I never come for abroad, I never see say I can't use leg cross. I can't use leg, I can't raise my leg, or I can't wear white shoe, I can't raise the cross water. No. For road. Even for your compound, you know they. I believe so the Obaseki you come the Italy where you come. When you come Italy, you see say your motor can't bend, go one side, they can't do like this, you can't do like you see make thunder fire you. Make thunder fire you. As you they come out, even if rain fall the day where you come, 1 hour you not go see the water for ground again. As the rain they finish, you not see the water for ground again. I be where you come, as you stand for that place where you stand, they address people. NEPA can't take light, I be your lights come off. You see it happen. Just answer my questions. Mark all the questions where I don't ask you. Obaseki, what you can do for Italy? I want to know. Obaseki, when you come in this Italy, how you be? Ordinary Italy, now you come home. How you be? How you be? Tell me. Italy, farm road. The moment when they talk, the Speaker House of Assembly, your farm road that time, farm road for Italy, it be like express for Nigeria. Express. They come, they talk nonsense, they speak around nonsense. I don't really know, Sha. I don't really know. It pay me. It pay me, say, man, our Nigerians don't want to wake up. Our youth don't want to wake up. We supposed to kill all of you now. We supposed to kill all of you now. Now from all those Obaseki age, you go up. You know you die. They must see. Make we see how you want to be. Even if we do on that course, we're not going to use our brain. Everybody they write. Stop modern day slavery. Stop this one. Stop. How you want to stop? Libyans not even the year two now they talk. Libyans not even. They're not even they sabi read. Not only that they Arab they sabi read. They don't even care. If you don't finish, my fish, you don't finish. Now only that one Libyan no. All those Libyans, now only that one they know. They don't even care about what you write or so. All those writing for Facebook, for Instagram, for YouTube, fuck all those things. All those things not count. Every damn Nigerians with the Libya supposed to come back home. Libyans not fit. Soldiers not fit go Libya today. Make it be say man. They say they want to come pull out all these Nigerians with the all these Africa, all those other countries with the they want to pull them out. Make Libyans say they're not the green. If that money they want, you not give them the fucking money. They'll leave una people now come out. What did that happen? People say come Italy, come they talk nonsense. They say the other one say Obaseki talk say make them stop our girls for road. If they stop our girls for road, now your mama, now your what do you? Man, they pay me. Make your mama get opportunity, or you get the money now. Carry your mama come Italy, make it. She can't just stay for maybe 1 year. Your mama go dodge, pass your back. They go road. Go so you my pikin come up for road. I want stay here. Yeah, it go happen because the woman need money. For years, lights day, everything day. You dey enjoy yourself peacefully. If you don't pay your house and pay your bills, you don't get fucking problem with anybody. You don't get problem with anybody. Police see you for chow. Now that one you get, and that one I get for each other. But Nigeria, if for here you feel even carry laptop put for head, carry and put for head, they walk out for streets. Oh chow, now police they talk to you so chow. You see laptop, yeah. But for Benin, they go see you see laptop, no problem. No problem. I know how many people I don't see you, they say, they carry my laptop. They go even carry the laptop, they not even see anything for inside, but they not go lala give you. They not go lala give you the laptop. Lala. I remember some years ago, I dey come from Cotonou. I reached Cotonou border to Benin and Nigeria Cotonou border. I reached there because they just see me. I wear shoe. I wear this. They just call me, say me come. I don't meet them. I said what did they my luggage? Now I say my clothes. They open and see laptop for inside. Yeah, you see laptop for inside. What did you see for inside? He open them. He said make I put my password. I open everything for him. He check out. He said where the receipt of the laptop. I give him. He won't tell me. He said where they not put the. Okay, I don't even know the code where he talk again. See, I tell him the serial number. I said no because I know say the serial number the receipt. He said why they not put the code for the receipt. Now I collect 12,000. No, was it 12,000? No, 20-something thousand for my hand. Say one carry me go station. And my boss already they pronto. I want come out. I paid dearly for that thing. I asked myself, okay, what do me come do these people now? Because we are not fit talk. But for here, if police do me that thing for here, I go police station. In your division, so their police station, I go there, I go meet their oga pata for office. He go open door for me. I tell them, say, oga, see wetin my oga do me, una police do me. They go really look into the matter, they go solve my problem. For if not to give me back my money, they go give me back my money. I know the law for here, but for Nigeria I don't know the law, but na there for come. One day the other person, one person they tell me say, if they want give you, if they tell you say make you denounce Nigeria, make the, my guy, if they even give me 1,000 euro to deny Nigeria, I go deny Nigeria. Only 1,000 euro to deny, to denounce Nigeria, to say my Nigeria not be, I don't even know Nigeria before. I go do am. I go do exactly that one. What are you doing? I really dey borrow for the matter, because everybody they post. Now you're posting one tell Libyans make they leave Nigerians. What do they post? They post picture, they post something for you. What do they post? Let's wake up. Let's wake up as a Nigerians. It don't really make sense. Obaseki, you be full disgrace. If not let that gele support when you cancel alone, now God will punish you. Punish your generation. Obaseki. Now God will punish you. Now just that one I want to talk. Obaseki, now God will punish you.